In question number 11, the answer is B. It is the chemical shift delta values increase in the order given in option B. The proton of ester group is having highest chemical shift value, and after that it is the proton of benzylic group, followed by proton of allylic group, followed by proton of alkylic group. Now question number 12. Among the following, the most stable conformation of meso 2,3-dibromobutane is? The answer is B. As we see in the options, the option A as well as option B both are indicating the Newman conformation of meso 2,3-dibromobutane. But the question has asked about the most stable conformation. So the answer should be B, in which all the groups are lying in antiposition with respect to each other. In question number 13, the answer is D. In this reaction, furan is subjected to acylation followed by nitration. In first step, when acylation takes place, the most activated position is 2, that is alpha also, and it forms most stable intermediate carbocation. So in first step, the X product is 2-acetyl furan. In second step, the nitration occurs, which is also an electrophilic substitution reaction, and again the remaining most stable position is, most activated position is 5. And when reaction occurs at position 5, again the best possible intermediate carbocation is formed. So the final product is 2-acetyl 5-nitrofuran. In question number 14, the answer is A. In this reaction, butane nitrile is subjected to Grignard reaction by using phenyl magnesium bromide. In first step, an nucleophilic addition reaction takes place and an adduct first is formed. This adduct on acidification forms an imino compound which is unstable. This imino compound on hydrolysis gives 4-phenyl propyl ketone. That is the final product, which contains 4 carbon atom including the keto group. Question number 15 has answer C. This is a question of structure identification by giving some chemical reactions. The reactant in the answer is 2-ethyl benzaldehyde, because this compound gives 2,4-DNP reaction. It forms a yellow precipitate of hydrazone. Then it gives the Tollens reaction. By using Tollens reagent, a silver mirror is formed, which indicates presence of an aldehyde. Then it gives a Cannizzaro reaction also, which indicates presence of an aromatic aldehyde. And finally, on oxidation by alkaline KMnO4, it forms phthalic acid, which indicates that the 2 substituents were present in the ortho position. In question number 16, the answer is D. In this question, the reactant is subjected to Grignard reaction. So a 1,4 addition reaction takes place in presence of CuI, and it is followed by an SN2 reaction by using MEI, methyl iodide. So finally, the product X is formed, in which 2 methyl groups are added to a CC double bond. After that, X is subjected to Baeyer-Villiger oxidation by using metachloroperbenzoic acid. In Baeyer-Villiger oxidation, the major product is formed by migration of more crowded carbon atom. As a result, the final product formed is Y, indicated in option D.